Hey friends! Today I'm sharing a powerful smoothie recipe for weight loss, body detox, and glowing skin. It helps reduce bloating, boost metabolism, and gives you natural energy for the day. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and beauty tips. First, we add a chunk of watermelon. It's 90% water, super hydrating, flushes out toxins, and helps reduce swelling. Next, 1 stalk of celery, a metabolism booster that supports digestion and helps burn fat naturally. Now add a handful of fresh spinach, rich in fiber and antioxidants. It curbs cravings and improves your skin. A little parsley, a natural diuretic that helps eliminate excess water from the body. Add half an orange for vitamin C and a refreshing touch of natural sweetness. It also supports immunity and boosts collagen. If you like a slight bitterness for extra fat burning, throw in a few arugula leaves. Totally optional. Add a glass of water. Now blend everything until smooth and creamy. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know. If you enjoyed this, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more. Drink this smoothie in the morning on an empty stomach or between meals, 3 to 4 times a week for best results. This recipe is one of my favorite natural ways to support weight loss and glowing skin. Try it and feel the difference. And if you'd like to support the channel, we'll be happy to receive a super thanks. Your kindness truly means a lot. Thank you for watching.